All right, so we're gonna stroll downstairs. Let's take a stroll down here. See what's crack-a-lacking down here, the lower level. Gap is coming soon here, it says. Coming summer 2026. See you then. So they got the Gap store coming. Got Zara Man. And then you can get to the Dick's in the lower level here. There's a Dick's Sporting Goods on the lower and upper level. And that store is closed over there. Then you got Zara Man here. Jack and Jones, it's called, Jack and Jones over here store. Okay, we got the Lululemon here. Levi's, you got Levi's over here, the Levi's store. You got Zara right here, big Zara store. Lululemon is everywhere. You got J.C. Penney's over there, down that side, all the way on the end over there. Yeah, and the Freehold Mall, this always seems like the slower end over here, but the Apple store is usually jumping, like right now. It's just Apple is always... It always has people coming in, it looks like. So when you go to the Apple store, yeah, it's usually pretty busy. Today's a Saturday, so... I guess weekends can actually, be a little more busy sometimes, I'm sure. And whenever a phone's coming out or whatnot. Smells great over here. The Bath and Body Works and the Whistle Barn. Got some candles here, so that's probably why. And the Pop Mart is open here. I know it was opening. I'm not sure if it was open last time we were here. I'm pretty sure it was about to open, so it's open now. And Pop Mart is another one popping up everywhere. It's in the name, literally. Pop Mart popping up everywhere. So that's the Pop Mart here. Yeah, they got a Five Below store here, which is pretty cool. I think another mall, Jersey Gardens, might have a Five Below store. Don't quote me on that. I think they do too. But it's not every mall that has a Five Below store, so it's pretty cool. It's like a sidewalk kind of store in a way. Got a Beauty Plus salon here. That's been here a long time. Over on the side over there. Got the Dave & Buster's over here. Yeah, this salon's been here a long time. I'm not really going to go in too far. You got a lot of wigs and all of that. Pretty cool. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. They got the Macy's down here. All right, let's go this way. Alrighty. Freehold Mall. Yeah, it's super great how lit this mall is. The lighting, the way the windows are and the ceiling. The window ceilings are very unique, very cool. It's a modern vibe, and I don't think that vibe really goes out of style. So it's like one of those modern vibes that transcends time. Like why would that go out of style, right? The ceiling with the windows and how bright it is and all of that. It's like one of those, like you got there and then you kind of, you're good. I think so, as far as modeling a mall.
What do I get?
That's my 2 cents on it. They got the Old Navy store right here. We have a Marmara Mediterranean cuisine right here. And this is one of the entrances and exits right here. Such a nice day. Let's take a peek outside. Because the weather is super nice. Yeah, there's a little gazebo, I guess you could call it maybe. I don't know what it's called. Outdoor dining area right here. Nobody outside, surprisingly though. I don't know why. Maybe people want to be inside today. I don't know. And what's going on over here? Let me see. So it looks like they're building something here. Something is going on here. Some kind of construction. Okay. That wasn't the plan, walking out here and seeing this construction. But yeah, there's some kind of construction going on right here. So this could be monumental or something for the future. Being that we see the construction here. There's some kind of building going on here. I don't know what it is. They got all kinds of stuff going on, it looks like. Let's see. Take a look over here. Yeah, I don't know. W20 Blue, that's where we're at. The W20 Blue zone. That's where we're at right now. Okay, so very interesting. Freehold Mall in the his house. June 2026.